Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can create Twitter poll. Okay, so if you want to create Twitter poll or ask a question, then you can easily create this. So how can you do this? Just follow my step. So before the tutorial starts, you are requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem, please let me know in comment below. Okay, let's begin the tutorial. So we need to go Twitter first. Okay, so here you can see the Twitter. Click on this. Okay, this is a Twitter interface, and we need to go here, the option, this one. Okay, so click on this, and then we need to click this option, third option. Okay, this one. Here you can see third option from left. Click on this, and here you can see the option you can create your poll or ask a question. So I just ask a question: what is your favorite social media platform? Social media platform. Platforms, right? So I just wrote a question, then I have to give answer or choice. So if you put choice, then you can choose how much. I just click here Facebook. So this section depends on the audience. Okay, for audience, so Facebook, Twitter. Okay, so initially here you can see that two option choice. Okay, so if you want to increase number of options, then you can easily create this. So how can do this? Here you can see there plus icon. Okay, plus symbol. Here you can see, just click on this, then you can create another one. So here you can see the Instagram, and also you can choose then so YouTube. I just create for you, so you can give the minimum 4. Okay, so the last one for length. So how many days do you want to keep this poll? Okay, so here if you click this, then you can see that time. Okay, so if you want 2 days, then set your length, then click. Okay, so after doing all this thing, you have to go here. You can see tweets. Okay, click on this. Okay, so your tweet was sent successfully. So we just need this. Here you can see what is your favorite social media platform. Then you can see here the 4 options: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. So when people see this question, then they will easily click any among them. So as if someone click Facebook, okay, so I created this, so I can't do this vote. Okay, so it's for only your audience or followers. Okay friends, I hope you got a helpful video from this tutorial, and please subscribe to this channel and have a nice day. Thank you for watching this tutorial.